Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Microsoft Edge tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to change the download location in Edge. This is actually quite simple. To do this, I first open Microsoft Edge, click on the three dots at the top right corner and go to Settings. Here I switch to the Downloads and find two important functions for downloading files. First, I can use the slider to specify that I'm asked where a file should be saved each time it is downloaded. This makes sense if I don't want to have a default location for downloads. In our case, however, we want a standard location, and here we can see the current path. This is the Windows download folder. If I click on Change, I select the download folder that I have created on my desktop. At the end, I click on Select Folder, and I have already changed the download folder for Microsoft Edge. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.